Today we'll show you step by step how to install a PNI surveillance system, made up of an NVR, a switch, and 2 IP cameras. We start by preparing the equipment, the NVR, the switch, and the hard drive. The NVR has 4 screws that need to be removed to open the cover and install the hard drive. Connect the NVR's power and data ports to the hard drive. Use the included screws to secure the hard drive in the case. Place the NVR and the switch on the table and get ready to connect them. We'll use a PNI Cat7 STP network cable for a stable and high-speed connection. Connect the switch to the NVR using the Ethernet port on the right. Then plug in the power adapters for both devices. Also, connect the switch to the router to ensure network access and enable configuration through the software. Connect an HDMI cable and a mouse for direct setup on a monitor or TV. Alternatively, the system can also be configured directly from a PC or laptop. We'll use 2 PNI cameras, the IP740 and IP780 models, to test the system. Connect each camera to the switch using Ethernet cables. On the laptop, open the EasyVMS application. After logging in, add the NVR and cameras to the My Devices section. To access them from the mobile app as well, you'll need to create a cloud account. On your phone, scan the QR code from the NVR manual to install the HiAi app. After logging in with the same cloud account, the NVR and cameras will appear automatically and can be accessed instantly. Simple, fast, and efficient, PNI surveillance systems offer safety and complete control wherever you are. Complete security solutions. PNI.